All right. Good day, and welcome to the math class once again. In this video, we shall talk about sine and cosine rule. In this video, we shall talk about sine and cosine rule. These are rules that are used to solve triangle problems, right? These are rules that are used to solve triangle problems. So we are going to see how we can apply the rule to solve different kinds of triangle problems. Okay, now before we go to the rules, let us try to do some revision about how to solve triangle problems, right? I'm sure you did this in grade 8 or even grade 5, but we are going to do it again now. Let's see how we can do some revision. Okay, now if I have this triangle, right? And we know that if we have an angle like this, let's say that we have this angle to be 92 degree. This angle is 92 degree, right? And this angle is 47 degree, right? We know that we can easily find the third angle. I want to call this angle C, because the total angle inside a triangle should be 180 degree. It should be 180 degree. I'm sure you know this before. I'm just trying to do some revision for you. All right, so angle C will be equals to 180. That should be the total. Then minus, we are going to remove the other two angles, 47 plus 92. 47 plus 92, right? Beautiful. So this is what we have. Now, what is 47 plus 92? 139. So 180 minus will give us 41. It means that angle C will be 41 degree. Are you following? Now, when we have two angles inside the triangle, it is easier to find the third angle because we just add them together and subtract from 180 degree. So now, but let's say we have only one angle inside the triangle. We don't have two. We don't have two angles. Let's say we have only one angle. Then how do we find the other two angles, right? These are part of the things that sine and cosine rule will be trying to solve at this level. So let us take some examples. Before we take examples again, let us try to understand what is the sine rule. What does it say, right? What does the sine rule say? What does it say? All right, so the sine rule says that if I have a triangle like this, I have this triangle, right? Something like this. Beautiful. Now, and this is my angle A. This is my angle B. So now, let's say that we have angle B here. This is angle B. Remember, we are talking about a triangle. A triangle will always have three angles inside, okay? This is angle C. Now, there's something important that we need to understand here, and that is when I have my angle C at this point, the opposite side to angle C is my side C. When I have my angle here, the opposite side to A, which is this place, is my side A, and this is my side B. Please don't forget this. This opposite side is very important because it's going to help you to apply the sine and the cosine rule. Now, what does sine rule say? Let's start with sine rule. What does it say? That side A divided by sine of angle A, sine A. Are you following? It's the same thing as side B divided by sine B. And finally, that is also the same as side C divided by sine C. Right. This is sine rule. A over sine A is equals to B over sine B is equals to C over sine C. Okay, so let us try to take some examples. Remember, do not forget that the side is always opposite to that angle. The side of an angle is always opposite to that angle. So it is important that you know this so that you can easily apply this law, sine rule. Okay, let's take some examples. Let us take some examples to apply the sine rule. All right. So I want to take this example. Okay, I'll draw a triangle now. All right, so I have this. Yes. So example 1. Now look at this triangle. Look at this triangle. Yes, this is a triangle, right? So this side is 10 centimeters. This side is 10 centimeters, right? And what again do we have? This angle is angle 100. This angle is angle 100. Are you following? 100 degree. This angle is angle 60 degree. Angle 60 degree. Right? Beautiful. Now, let us find the third angle. What else do we have? So let us find this angle. Now, look at this example very well. Let me draw this again. It's not very clean. Let me try to draw it again. Okay, I will remove all this since we now know what sine rule is. So I will start again. All right, so I have a triangle like this, right? I have a triangle like this. And this place is what? Let's say it is 97 degree, 97 degree. And the other side is 60 degree. This place is 60 degree. We have this side to be 10 centimeters, 10 cm. Now, if you look at this triangle, you will see that three things are missing. This side is missing. I want to call this side X. This side is also missing. I want to call this side Y. And this angle is missing. I want to call that angle C. Are you following? So we can find the three of them, right? Very interesting. You shall see now. Now, if you look at the triangle, you will see that I have two angles there, right? So what I will do is to add this together, subtract from 180, then I will get my angle C. So now, angle C, like we did in the first example, is 180 minus 97 plus 60. Now, what is angle C? What is 97 plus 60? That should give us 157, right? Yes. So what is 180 minus 157? We have 23. It means angle C is 23 degree. That's very interesting. Angle C is 23 degree, right? Okay, now that we know angle C, let us now find the missing sides. That is X and Y. And we are going to apply sine rule now. Okay, I know my angle C. I know this side. Let me find side X first. Remember, according to sine rule, the sine rule says that A divided by sine A is the same thing as, is equal to B divided by sine B. Are you following? So if I apply that to this, I will have that my X, right, divided by, you can see that angle 97 is opposite side X. Angle 97 degree is opposite side X. So divide by 97 is equal to 10 centimeters. 10 divided by angle C is 23 degree. 23. So I'm looking for only X. Can you see this now? So I can cross multiply to find my X. I can cross multiply. So this is going to give me what? This will give me X. 23 multiply X. Sorry, that should be sine, not only 23. That should be sine. Please don't make that mistake that I almost made now. Sine 97, not just 97. And this is also sine 23, not just 23. Sine 23. Are you following? So now, I want to cross multiply. If I'm cross multiplying, you will see that I will have X multiply sine 23, right? X multiply sine 23 is equal to 10 multiply sine 97. 10 multiply sine 97. 10 multiply sine 97. You can see this now. All right, sine 97 degree. Okay, good. Now my X will now be equal to 10 multiply sine 97, because I will divide both sides by 23, by sine 23. I'm sure you know this from grade 5. You know how to do cross multiplication from grade 5. So sine 23. This is sine 97, not 95. This is sine 97. Sine 97. Beautiful. Now, we can now use our calculator to find the final answer. What is 10 sine 97? 10 multiply sine of 97. That's 9.93, right? 9.93 divide sine 23. Divided by, what is sine 23? 0.39. 0.39. So 9.93 divided by 0.39 will be what? 9.93 divided by 0.39, 25.46. 25.46. So you can see now that this side is 25.46. 25.46. I hope you understand this now. So let us find the side Y. Let us find the side Y. Okay. So now I can remove all this. Yes, I can remove all this. So now we are going to find side Y. This is how you apply the sine rule. This is how you apply the sine rule. Now, if I'm looking for side Y, remember I'm going to have Y divided by the opposite angle is 60. You can say 60. So sine 60 degree is equal to, again, I have this now. I have side x to be 25.46. Since I know this now, I can use it, right? Since I know this side now, I can use it. So 25.46 divided by sine 97. Can you see that now? So what is our answer now? Okay, let's go and find that. So now, again, I'll cross multiply. Y multiply sine 97, 25.46 multiply sine 60. So y multiply sine of 97 is the same thing as, is equal to what now? 25.46 multiply sine 60 degree. Multiply sine 60 degree. Can you see that now? That's very interesting. Now, my y is what? Y will be equal to 25.46 multiply sine 60 degree divide by sine 97 degree. Divide by sine 97 degree. You can see this now, very interesting. Okay, what is our final answer? We press our calculator, 25.46 multiply sine 60 degrees, 60, divided by sine 97 degrees, sine 97 degree. And the answer is 22.21, 22.2. So this side is equals to 22.2. So this is how we apply the sine rule to solve a problem. Remember, it is in centimeters. So this is how we apply a sine rule. And I hope you understand this. Let me take one more example. So let us take this angle. Okay, let's take this triangle, right? I have this, and I have this. No, this is not like this. It's not like this. Okay. So I have this, yes, and I have this. Yeah, this is a triangle. Now, I have 73 and 59. So this place is 73 degree. And this place is 59 degree, 59 degree. So what are we looking for? We are looking for the sides. So this is 12 centimeters. Are you following? That's 12 centimeters. So let us look for the sides. All right, so now what do I have? The sine rule. Before I apply the sine rule, let me find this angle first. Again, I want to call this angle M. Angle M. So again, so my angle M, remember that the total angle inside a triangle is 180 degree minus 73 plus 59. And this is going to give me what? 73 plus 59. 48 degree. It means that that angle is 48 degree. That angle is 48 degree. Beautiful. So we know our angle M now. So let us find side. Again, I want to call this side X and this side Y. Let me find my Y first. Y, the opposite angle to Y is 59 degree. Can you say so? Y over 59 degree is equal to 12 centimeters divided by the angle M. We can say an angle M is 48. Again, it's supposed to be sine, not just 59, sine 59. So 12 divided by sine. Remember that M is 48. 48 degree, right? Beautiful. Because 12 centimeters is opposite of angle M. So that's why we are going to use 12 centimeters and angle M together. Okay, now I'm sure you can solve it from here. I'm sure you know this now. So my Y will be equal to 12 multiply sine of 59 divided by sine of 48. This is my Y. So how do we solve that? 12 multiply sine 59 divide sine 48. That is 13.8. So the side is 13.8 centimeters. 13.8 centimeters. Right, this is very interesting. So this is 13.8. Okay, so let us find the final side, which is side X. Let us find side X. So let's see how we can do that now. Okay, so we are trying to find side X now. Again, X divided by sine 73 because the opposite angle to X is 73 degrees. So X divided by sine of 73 is equal to M, that is 12 centimeters, divided by sine 48. 12 centimeters. I'm sure you know why I picked this now. Sine 48. Now, this means that my X will be equal to what? My X will be 12 multiply sine 73. Now I'm doing cross multiplication. We did this in the first example, so you now know how to do that now. Divided by sine 48. Divided by sine 48 degree. Very interesting. So now I have 12 multiply sine 78 divided by sine 48. 15. So this side is 15.7 degree. Yes, this side is 15.7 degree. This side is 15.7 degree. So this is how we apply the sine rule, which says that side A divided by angle A is equal to Side B divided by angle B is the same thing, is equal to side C divided by angle C. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson and I hope you understand how to use sine rule now. You will need to practice some examples to understand better. And if you have any problem, please let me know. Have a nice day.